Good afternoon, everyone. We are beginning to round out our work week, and we have continued gray skies. There's also still some areas of some freezing drizzle and a few flurries for some of us this afternoon. Right now in Fargo, overcast skies, 21 degrees, but it feels like 7 thanks to that wind that's been breezy today out of the north-northwest at 17 miles per hour. Meanwhile, in Grand Forks, fairly overcast skies as well, 21 degrees, but with that north wind at 12 miles per hour, your wind chill is 9 degrees. Temperatures region-wide are actually above seasonal average. 19 in Hallock and Langdon, 18 Devil's Lake, 20 is for the rest of us, but with that wind, feeling cooler with more wind because we are now on the backside of the Colorado low that really missed us yesterday, bringing some rain to Chicago right now, some severe weather in parts of Ohio, still seeing a little bit of wraparound snow in parts of Wisconsin and even into central Minnesota. Here in our neck of the woods, got to turn on a different radar view to really be able to pick up on those light snow flurries from around Bemidji, Fosston, and into Lakes Country through Fergus Falls. Here's what you can expect for tonight. Might still see a few spotty flakes floating around or even a little bit of wintry mix, primarily east through northwestern Minnesota on the back fringes of that system that's continuing to exit. But most of us are going to remain cloudy. The breeze continues to gradually diminish as we head through the overnight hours and waking up to temperatures a little bit cooler than we have the last couple of days. We've been waking up to temperatures in the teens and 20s. For tomorrow, mostly in the teens, which is still a little bit above seasonal average. We're going to see a couple of flakes here and there, not much unlike what we've been seeing today. A few flakes, a little bit of freezing drizzle, all again in the forecast for tomorrow. We're going to see a westerly wind pickup and a warm front slide in. So temperatures will start to warm, especially first out in eastern North Dakota. And we're looking at some 20s for most of us, upper teens, low 20s for your dinner time hour on Friday. But we're still going to see some areas of slick roads, even though we're warming up a little bit, not enough to melt the ice and snow that have been making things slippery. For tomorrow in Fargo, a low right around 11 degrees first thing in the morning, and we'll be warming up into the mid-20s. A peak of sun here and there, but overall, another pretty cloudy and gray day. Here's a snapshot of the 3 o'clock hour across the region. A little bit of a westerly breeze, temperatures widespread in the 20s. Now let's talk about that Clipper tracker. This is Sunday, so it's going to start to develop over the weekend in Canada. It'll start to brew and quickly slide through the valley. So a few fast flakes, not a lot of accumulation, and maybe a little bit of wind to go along with it as well into Monday across the Red River Valley. In the meantime, enjoy some more quiet scenes like this. Perhaps not as much color to the sky, but thank you to Amanda for this Oakley, Minnesota shot. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Temperatures remain comfortable. There's that Clipper on Monday. Then by the end of next week, Justin, we're seeing some signs. We'll see those temperatures kind of dive into the single digits.
Things can change, but something to keep an eye on.
Right, yeah.
Thank you, Summer. Still ahead, a couple of dangerous recalls that consumer protection experts are warning about. Valley News Live at 4 is back in about 2 minutes.